In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for VidIQ on PC, then what are the facilities available for free and paid plans on VidIQ, and the benefits of VidIQ paid plan, then finally how to manage plans. So don't skip any part, and at the end of the video, I got you a special offer for VidIQ paid plans. Yeah, it's a complete guide about VidIQ with step-by-step explanations. Okay, let's see. First, on your PC or laptop, open any browser and type VidIQ, search, and open this link. For your convenience, I will leave the official VidIQ link in the description. Yeah, we landed. And here you can sign up with your Gmail account. That's pretty easy. And you can also sign up using your email ID. For now, I am going to use my Gmail account. It's just one step process. So just click that. Then choose the YouTube channel mail ID you want to sign up. Once again, choose the correct account or brand account. Then you need to grant access to VidIQ. Then only the VidIQ able to analyze your channel and gives ideas, suggestions to grow your YouTube channel. So just click allow. Don't worry much, it's completely safe. And here you can watch the official VidIQ videos. I just skip this. Yeah, now you successfully signed up on VidIQ. This is how the free plan interface looks like. Here you can see the channel growth, and this is AI title generator. If you enter any keyword or topics here, then it will give you an attractive title like this. For free plan, you get 3 credits for every 6 days. In simple, you can generate 3 titles for your YouTube videos for every 6 days. It's completely free. And here you can see your top keyword opportunities for your YouTube channel with search volume and computation. Then here you get 3 daily content ideas for your YouTube channel with views prediction. If you ask me, this is the best thing that helps for beginner YouTubers to get more views. Actually, it gives content ideas related to your channel. Then you just need to make a video about that topic. That's the thing. And also you never ever run out of ideas. Then keyword section. Here you can pick the best keywords that's suitable for your channel. For free plan, it's limited. Yeah, you can also use this free plan, but it takes time to grow our channel because full features only available for paid plans only. I will explain about this in detail on later of this video. Okay, and here you can add the competitors. Then subscriber and SEO section will be available for only paid plans. Okay, now let's install the VidIQ Chrome extension on PC or laptop. It also same for MacBook and iMac also. For that, just click this download extension. Then add to Chrome. Now click on add extension. Then automatically it will installed on your Chrome browser. After this, you get the full access of VidIQ from here. Okay, let's see the benefits of VidIQ paid plan. Channel stats as it is same, there is no difference. And here for AI title recommendation, there is no limit. You can use this facility for infinity times. And for daily ideas for boost plan, you get 50 content ideas on daily basis. You can save or remove the ideas like this with views predictions. Here you can see the saved ideas. Let's move to the keyword section. Here on this search bar, you just need to type the title or any keyword related to the topic and press enter. Then the meter shows the score. If red means very much difficult to rank, in simple to get views. Yellow means it's medium, if green, easy to rank. For small channel like us, always prefer these 2 greens. And If you believe this topic goes well, then you can prefer yellow also. And this question type keyword will awesomely helpful for how to type channels. You just need to select the keyword which is suitable for your channel. For example, for small channels, mostly prefer low computation keyword like this green one. Once you selected, then click copy and paste it on your YouTube video tags. Now competitors. You can add more competitors and you can compare the metrics like views and top performing video like that. Then you can also see the tags for any video on YouTube like this. That's awesome, right? Now subscribers. And here you can see when your subscribers spend time on YouTube to watch videos by day. Then you can see other channels that your subscribers subscribe to, and here you can find the top videos that your subscriber watches recently. For SEO and coach, personally I would not use this section much, so I just leave it for now. Okay. After you installed VidIQ Chrome extension, when you upload videos, you can optimize your videos here, like AI title recommendations, and it also suggests tags on description. Yeah, this one, scorecard. You can check tag counts, ranked tags, like that stuffs. And if it shows on green, you are done your SEO great. And also make use of this checklist. That's much helpful feature. And here you can check whether you are added subtitles, end screen, or turned on monetization, like that stuffs. And after uploaded your videos on YouTube, you can see how your keywords are ranked on YouTube. Here you can see I ranked number 1 for these keywords like how to remove red lines on Notes app on iPhone, and it's almost 8 keywords that ranked number 1 on YouTube for this one video itself. Okay, let's see another very useful settings. Just click here and choose channel audit. Yeah, here you can see which videos or topics that performs well on your channel, and also which type of contents that needs modifications too. And here you can see this type of videos that performs well on our Daily Doubts channel, and I just need to double down those topics similar to that content. For example, this video gets more views per hour, and this video is about how to download audio library music from YouTube using PC. Now I need to make a video about how to download audio library music from YouTube using iPhone or Android, like that manner. You can see this strategy on big channels, right? Yeah, they do. And here you can see which types of videos that doesn't work, like getting low views, low average view duration, like that stuffs. And here you can get the metrics for all on an average basis, like title length, description length, tag length, SEO score. Don't confuse them. If you see all these metrics in green, then you are optimized your videos great. For me, SEO shows negative because I recently uploaded lots of shorts on our Daily Doubts channel. For that short videos I did not optimize well, so that it shows like red. Here you can see that. For normal videos it's getting great SEO. Short videos only gets red mark. And if you wish you can edit those things from here. And if you have any doubt or need any clarification, you can directly chat with customer support. Finally, let's see how to upgrade to paid plans, and also how to upgrade or downgrade plans, like free to paid plans as well as paid to free plans. And here just click upgrade. Yeah. Then here you can switch monthly or annual basis. For me, price shows in rupees. For you, it will show on your currency, like for US, USD, UK pound, and Canada, Canadian dollar, like that. Okay. Actually, they have 3 different paid plans: Pro, Boost, Max. Here you can see the complete details. Currently, I'm using Boost plan. If you ask me, I would also suggest you the boost plan. It really works for me and you too. Okay, to manage your plans, scroll down to the end, then click on this manage our plan. Yeah, here you can see your current plan, and if you want you can either upgrade your plan to maintain multiple channels, or also you can downgrade to free plans when you click this. Fine. Let's reveal the special offer. Recently I tried to sign up for my another channel. After I sign up, I will receive this mail and it says if you buy for 1 month, another month will be free. For example, if I paid for VidIQ boost plan for this month, next month also I can use this VidIQ boost plan for free. I think it's VidIQ offer time, so make use of this. I hope you guys also get this offer after sign up. And for your convenience, I will leave the official VidIQ link on the top of the description. You can use that. Yeah, that's what I want to tell you. That's it for now. I hope this video helps. If you find this video helps, then leave a like and share your thoughts on comment what I need to improve and what I need to continue. I'm eagerly waiting for your comment. Finally, subscribe our DD Business channel if you forgot. Thanks for watching.